Hey guys, we're going to be talking today about RV solutions for air conditioning systems, specifically the Coleman Mach 15,000 BTU air conditioning. We're going to be talking about two different solutions. One of those solutions is going to be the new product by KoolRV, and also we're going to be looking at sealing your ducts properly to make sure that you have proper and efficient airflow. I've been very disappointed with the air conditioning in this 2023 Prowler travel trailer. The air conditioning in this travel trailer has the Coleman Mach air conditioning unit in it. The air conditioning unit in this AC unit is supposed to be a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. We took it out a few weeks ago and it was about 95 degrees outside. With the temperature outside, we was not only getting down to about 78 degrees. It felt very warm in here. So the solution I came up with was I installed a second air conditioning unit. Went to Home Depot and bought a portable AC unit. I purchased the 8,000 BTU Visani portable AC unit from Home Depot. This absolutely helped our temperature problem inside the RV. But I still wasn't happy with the particular setup that we have because I'm losing space in the bedroom area of the RV. On the outside of the camper, I did not want to have an ugly discharge hose hanging out the wall. So what I found was at Home Depot, they had a soffit vent mount. It gives a very low profile look. Unscrewing the center of the circle on this particular vent gives an opening so the unit on the inside can vent through the wall without too much obstruction. Also, if you're trying to solve other problems with your RV's AC system and its efficiency, another good thing to check. There are 4 screws in this AC vent. Upon removing the screws, I found the sealing tape is not sealed very well around the vent, which is causing air leaks, and you're losing your precious air conditioning directly into the sealing cavity where you don't want it to be. So for this solution, I'm going to be using full AC tape to tape up these gaps. This is the Coleman Mach 15,000 BTU air conditioning unit. First thing we do is remove the air conditioning covers on each side to expose the screws to remove the outside cover of the AC unit. Now, once these screws are removed, we're just going to remove the outer cover of the air conditioning unit and place this down out of the way. Now, with the inner chute screws removed, the inner chute can be removed and placed out of the way also. Now, with the outer cover and the inner chute removed from the Coleman Mach AC unit, the problem that occurs is the vents in the ceiling have very little pressure, very little air movement coming out of them. The problem is, this is the output side of the Coleman Mach air conditioner. You can actually see the squirrel cage fan inside. The air has to pressurize this cavity here, and then it is forced into these little areas right here. Those are the vent openings, the entrances from each. The problem is it causes too much back pressure and the air pressure does not actually make it into these little areas. So what's the solution? So how do I solve this problem with the Coleman Mach air conditioning unit? Well, this company, KoolRV, I've seen an ad on the internet. They have came out with a solution. The solution is their KoolRV air duct distribution unit. This air conditioned distribution system, once installed in the Coleman Mach air conditioning unit, will greatly improve your airflow in your RV. The next step would be to remove the foam divider in the center of your Coleman Mach AC unit, like so. I had a little bit of foil tape on each side that I had to remove. Pull down the foam block from the center of the unit. Next, once you get the divider block removed, we install the AC adapter assembly as shown. Each side as shown. each side, you're going to have to come around this side to see. You can't see what I'm doing. Not be too zoomy. This side, you clip this side in to this port. This side clips into the other side. With the KoolRV unit installed, now I'm going to reassemble the inner chute and the outer cover. Once this solution is installed, your air dump vents will no longer function. After installation of the KoolRV system inside of our new Coleman Mach air conditioning system, we are very impressed with the results, which increased our cooling capacity by a large number. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this about RVs and general farm life, please just give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.